Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to introduce you how to open medium-sized secret box with 10 steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Slide this part to the right. Step 2. Move the whole end down. Step 3. Slide the lid. Step 4. Turn it around and slide this part to the right. Step 5. Push the whole end down. Step 6. Slide this part to the right again. Step 7. Move the whole end down. Step 8. Slide this part to the left. Step 9. Move the whole end down. Step 10. Finally, slide the lid and it comes off the leg. You can see the inside of the box. Please slide the pieces back in order. It comes with the instruction. So please be careful not to lose it. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.